How to use split screen feature in your Samsung devices. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So split screen is a feature that are available in your latest Samsung phones and which will allow you to multitask. So you will be able to use two different applications in the same screen using the split screen feature. So let me tell you how you can do it. So simply hold up in your home bar and then click on the app icon and then select open in split screen view, and after that it will ask you to use another application in the split screen view as well. So simply select the one that you want. For watching this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.